Hi folks, it's Dane at Jonah Guitars, and I have a sold video for you today. It's the Electra, the Roadie body style that was fractal burned, and it got shipped out here, and so I didn't do a video with it before I shipped it out. So I'm going to tack some of the previous video in here and let you see what it looked like and all that good stuff. Early in the video, I want to say subscribe, comment, share, and like, all that good stuff. It's all free, and I just wanted to say it earlier on than usually at the end like I do. So let's get to the other video that I had shot of the Electra. Okay, so this is a Roadie model. It's I would say it's probably my baseline guitar as far as that goes, although all of these guitars are one of a kind, you know, handmade with machinery, not CNC'd, but not necessarily, you know, all hand planes and, you know, that sort of thing. Anyway, so what you'd consider a one-off guitar, luthier built kind of thing. So this is my own body style. It's a little bit of an offset. It's not a Strat. It gets confused for that, although it's, if you put them side by side, they're really easy to spot the differences. It does, however, have the arm bevel contour here in the tummy cut on the back. Let's see how that shows up. There you go. Yep. This body is well, alder back, maple top, that has been fractal burned, and I did some short videos of that process and showing everything's black, so all the dust shows up. These pickups are wound by John Williams in Tennessee. He does all my pickups. This is a Wilkinson bridge. It is a top loader, not a string through. I personally don't find that it makes any, I know that's controversial, but I don't find that it makes any difference tone-wise. These are absolutely great pickups. I asked him to wind these a little hotter than standard PAFs, and he does a great job for me. I also knew I was going to be using black hardware, like the hip shot locking tuners, and open back. The brass with the black looks just really great. Anyway, and then my Jonah decal on there. Okay, so that's it. That was the Electra, the Roadie body style, and I will be seeing you later next time, next video. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye now.